Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Raspberry Pi OS on a Microsoft Surface RT tablet. To get started, open a web browser and download the Surface RT Jailbreak USB zip archive. Next, plug in a USB flash drive that's at least 8 GB in size that we can format, then open File Explorer. Right-click on the flash drive and select Format. Set the file system to FAT32. Then make sure Quick Format is selected and click Start and OK to confirm. Once the format completes, note the drive letter that's been given to the USB flash drive. Then navigate to your Downloads directory and extract the downloaded zip archive to the root of the formatted flash drive. With the jailbreak files extracted to the USB flash drive, safely remove it. Power off the Surface RT tablet if it's running. Then using a USB hub, connect a USB keyboard and the flash drive we just created to the Surface tablet. Then power it on while holding the volume down button. Press Enter to select Install Golden Keys. Once the keys are installed, the tablet will reboot. Boot back to the USB flash drive. Select Install Yahalo from the menu and then press Enter. Once the second installation completes, the tablet will reboot again. Shut it down. Remove the USB flash drive and plug it back into the PC so we can prepare it for the Raspberry Pi OS installation. Back on the PC, navigate to raspberrypi.org and download the latest 32-bit version of Raspberry Pi OS. We also need to download Balena Etcher, which we'll use to write the image to the USB flash drive. As well as the EFI and driver files required to run Raspberry Pi OS on the Surface RT. With all the files downloaded, navigate to your Downloads directory and extract the USB Linux boot zip archive. Then launch the downloaded Balena Etcher program as an administrator. Click Flash from File, then browse to and select the Raspberry Pi OS image. Set the target as the USB flash drive, then click Flash. Once the flashing process completes, close Balena Etcher, then open the USB flash drive in File Explorer. Copy the downloaded Z-image, DTB, and modules archive to the root of the USB flash drive. Then rename the copied Z-image file to just Z-image. Back in the Downloads directory, navigate into the USB Linux boot folder we extracted earlier and copy the EFI folder and file and paste them on the root of the flash drive. Right-click on the copied startup.nsh file and edit it in the text editor. Copy the file contents from the video description, then save the changes and close the editor. Now we're ready to safely remove the USB flash drive and plug it back into the USB hub attached to the Surface RT tablet. Booting to the USB flash drive, we should start to boot into Raspberry Pi OS. Click Next at the welcome screen. Set a country, language, and time zone, then click Next. Create a user account by entering a username and password, then click Next. Click Next on the Setup screen page, and skip on the Update Software page. Then click Restart. At this point, Raspberry Pi OS is going to run from the USB flash drive. You can continue to run it this way, or you can install it to the internal storage in the Surface RT tablet. To proceed with installing it to the internal storage, click the Applications menu, then Accessories, SD card copier. Set the copy from device to the USB flash drive and the copy to device to the MMC BLK0 device. Check the new partition UUIDs box, then click Start. Click Yes to confirm overwriting the internal storage. Once the file copy completes, close out of SD card copier and open the File Manager. Navigate to the boot partition and edit startup.nsh in a text editor. Update the root device ID from dev SDA2 to dev MMC BLK0 P2. Then save the changes and close out of the editor. Now let's shut down the tablet and try booting it from the internal storage. Once the tablet shuts down, remove the USB flash drive from the USB hub, then power it back on. If everything was done correctly, we should boot to Raspberry Pi OS, running from the internal storage. Once the desktop environment loads, open File Manager again. Navigate into the boot folder, then copy the SRT modules archive we downloaded earlier and paste it into your home directory. Then right-click the file and extract it here. Now start a terminal and run sudo pcmanfm to launch the file manager with root privileges. In the root file manager, navigate to lib firmware. Then back in your home folder, navigate into the extracted lib folder, firmware, mrvl, and copy the file. Then back in the root file manager, paste it in the mrvl folder and overwrite it if it exists. Back in the other file manager, navigate back to the extracted lib folder, modules, and copy the folder. Then in the root file manager, navigate to lib, modules, and paste the folder here. With all the files and folders copied to the correct location, reboot the tablet. After this final reboot, you've finished the process. Welcome to Raspberry Pi OS, running on your Microsoft Surface RT tablet.